If you want to change your income level this year, you want to start making passive income online, this video is for you. This will really help you, teach you everything you need to do to start making money, to start supporting your family income wise. Mostly, nowadays, you take your salary. The first day, the money is already finished before you pay your mortgage, you pay your insurance, you pay your water bill, electricity bill, whatever bill you will talk about. At the end of the day, you don't even have enough to save. This video will help you to have some side income that are going to be supporting your family. Those vacations you're planning to go, you can go. This will help you to generate some passive income that will support you in taking care of those bills, and at the same time having some little to save for any future or foreseen expenses. This will help you. You may have come across many programs online. I'm telling you, this is already been tested, and I've tested it and I've seen changes in it. It's different from what I even tried before. Somebody may be even telling you right now that, oh no, they lying. This is not real. Guy, let your mind decide for you. It's for you to take action. They made it easy for every income level to start this program. You just start first, take that action. So if it doesn't work for you, then you move away. Well, I'm telling you, this is going to work for you. Nobody enter into this program. They have something to share. They have testimony to share. It's easy. It's step by step. They're going to direct you on what to do on online space by making money. You don't have to even create any product for yourself. Everything is done for you. The website that you're going to be using to promote this product is already designed for you. The digital tools is already given to you. And how to use it also, they're going to teach you. You have access to mentor. You have access to coach. That's the good thing about this program, guys. I haven't seen anything like this before. You just need to try it. You just need to try this program. This will help you, save you from that money that is not enough. Even before the end of the day, you spend all your salary finish. You can't even have savings. This will help you. You are a single mom out there. Your father out there struggle day and night, doing 2 jobs. You don't even have time for your family. This will give you your time back. You have time for your family. This can be done in the comfort of your home. All you need is just your laptop, your phone. You're good to go. It's easy. It's step by step. So if you want to change your story this 2024, this program is called Legacy Builder. It's a proven blueprint that already generates a lot of income. People have made millions in this program. All you need to do is just follow the step by step. This is not a quick rich program. You're going to work for it. It's just 2 hours of your day. You're going to work for it. So it depends how you put your commitment, your effort. That is how you can generate money. So it's not guaranteed that, okay, you buy it and you're not going to do anything. You're going to work for it. Then when you work for it, it is guaranteed that you can make money from it. So it depends how you use this guide, but it's easy. It's step by step. You're going to have access to mentors that are going to be teaching you, directing you what to do. This program that is different from whatever program you have entered before. This is a digital marketing program that is in vogue right now, that people are making money from it. So if you want to join me to start making money this 2024, you still have a lot of time this year. Don't let anything disturb you. You can change your story, and how you can change your story is in your hand. You have to take action before you can see any result. If you don't take action, you can't see result. So all you need to do, just take action. It's easy. It's just step by step. I'm not forcing you to start right now, but I just want you to try. Then I know you're going to thank me later. It's just easy step-by-step program. So if you want to know more about this program, I'm going to put the link in the description. You're going to see the link there, Build Legacy with adetuji.com. You're going to have access to this probable blueprint, instant access. Then you go through this, you see a lot of testimony there. You see how people are making it, how people that are without job, their life are changing. This is what this program is doing. It's easy. You see a lot of people, these are not fake people, a lot of people that you can talk to. When you join this community, you have access to like 24,000 people. You can reach out to them if you have any difficulties in starting this program. It's easy. You can reach out to me too. It's easy. Before coming to online like this, telling you about this program, I'm telling you, I'm not the kind of person that likes to face camera. But when I see this is real, so let people enjoy from this program. It's just following all what they already designed, detailed in this program. So if you do it, you're going to make it. It's certain. But you have to work for it. That's what I'm telling you. You have to do your best. You have to put your effort. What do you want to do? Just by promoting this product they're already giving to you. And if you don't want to come online like this, you can use a faceless ad, which is already being taught in this program. How to use a faceless ad, how to use some free website you put and hit today. So you don't have to be there 24/7 before this business start working. They design a newsletter for you that are going to be working for you when you are not there. This will be going out daily. So people that want it, a lot of people are outside there, they're looking for something that is real, that will bring results. So when this newsletter is pushing out every day, so sometimes you see some sales in your account. You are not even there. But people that need it already sign up for this program. It's called Legacy Builder. You're going to see the link also in my profile page. Build Legacy with Adetuji. All you need to do is just click on it and you have immediate and instant access to this program. So if you want to start your online digital business today, everything is in your hand. All you need to do is just a matter of signing up, put your email, and you begin. So if you have any difficulties or you're going through it, you don't know it, you can reach out back to me with an email. My email is there. Send me an email and I'm ready to tell you how this program can benefit you. I'm ready to tell you all you need to do to start. It's easy. It's step by step. It's made available for everybody. You can start as little as 100. You can have your own business today just by $100. Guys, this is real. And you have $29 for your website just for life. And you're selling this product. You can sell it for 10 years until you decide, okay, I want to build my own product also. From this program, you started making money from other places like affiliate marketing. If you want to go into affiliate marketing, everything is being taught in this program. You want to be a YouTuber, content creator, you can start again. This will teach you what to do. So if you want to start, all you need to do, go to Build Legacy with Adetuji, click on the link, and you have instant access to this program. So if you need more questions, all you need to do, just send me an email. So if you want to know more, just comment on this that you want to know more on this video, and I will get back to you. And please don't forget to like this video. If this video is going to help you to start your online digital business this year, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.